Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be unboxing this bundle right here. So let's just open it up, see what's inside. Alright, so there's several compartments into here. Let's just keep taking things out. Okay, so inside the box I can see this. I thought it was just going to be a digital download, so I'm surprised to see the actual disc right here. Then we got this, that makes sense. Alright, that's more of what I was expecting. And let's take out the PS. And here's the PlayStation itself. Pretty heavy. Gotta say, it feels a lot heavier than an Xbox. Let's just set it on the side for now. And let's take a look at everything else that came inside the box. So right here we have the controller that came with the PlayStation. Yep, pretty standard controller. Feels fine. Looks normal. Nothing fancy about it. Got a power cable. So this will be directly connected right there to our PlayStation. This is pretty funny that we get, but that's pretty neat anyways. Pretty funny that we get this. I wasn't expecting to get this with our PlayStation. It seems very flimsy, so this looks like it's gonna break right away. I'm not gonna lie. I would not recommend just using this, but hey, it's good that we got it. And we also got this cable, which is yeah, pretty standard cable. If you guys have Androids at home, this would be the same thing that you use to charge up your Android device. Now here we got one of our most important cables, which is our HDMI cables. Pretty standard HDMI cables. They do look and feel heavy duty, so that's good. We always need some good stuff in order to hook up our PlayStation. And the very last thing would be right here, PlayStation user manual, quick start, and so on. Anyways, if you guys haven't had a PlayStation before, I do have a video of how to set that up, so make sure to check that out. Plus a ton of other videos on PlayStation and how to get stuff for free and just a bunch of stuff. Anyways, right here on my channel, so make sure to check that out. So here's our quick manual, and it's pretty easy to hook it up and do everything. So here's everything that you would get with your bundle. It's all the standard stuff that you would need to hook up your PlayStation right here. Plus the important stuff would be this disc right here and the digital downloads. So this paper is actually very important. You guys can see that it's two ways. So if I open this up, I'm gonna see a code inside for each one of these. So there's gonna be a code for God of War. There's gonna be a code for this game as well inside. So all I have to do is open this up, and inside I'm gonna see a code up here that lets me download this game and this game for free, since that's part of the bundle. This game is the only one that I actually get the disc. I'm not a fan of discs. I like digital downloads. It's gonna be on my account forever, and I'm good with that. Discs, you still need to download a bunch of stuff, so you're gonna run out of space anyways. So that's why I just like digital downloads. Might as well keep it simple without having the discs everywhere. So right now, to show you around the PlayStation, it's a regular PlayStation, nothing fancy about it. You guys will notice here you got some inputs. That's where your discs are gonna be if you guys have any discs, or else you guys can download everything as digital download, which I suggest doing. It's just my personal preference to do that. Right here on the side, there's just some information. We keep going around. Here's the most important part about your PlayStation, because that's where you're gonna plug it in. There's your HDMI. You have Ethernet cable, which a lot of people still use because you get faster internet for most of you. Not everybody. There's really good routers nowadays, so this is not the only answer to getting faster internet, but Ethernet cable for most of you. And if we go all the way around, we're just gonna see a little bit more ventilation on the side. And that would be it when it comes down to your PlayStation. There's not much more into it. So if you look at the bottom of the PlayStation, there's gonna be these symbols. It's just some good grip. And like I already showed you, the most important part are your connections right here on the side. So that's the most important part about your PlayStation, really. Other than that, if you guys had an Xbox before, this will seem a lot heavier than an Xbox. And that would be it for this unboxing. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.